Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
MLA Barim ke West Shillong uba Mohendro rapsang haka arpulai trek jerlio arja arpunrio ulapenya so iladi ke Bharatiya Janata Party ringkat bat bon kinong kersan jong haka office trekam ke BJP ha Shillong. Kani kalong sakawai pat ke jingkala haka san pertai kat banang jan ke election assembly house nam arja arpupra. La pedang ya uba Mohendro rapsang do Presiden ke Meghalaya BJP Urikman G Moment haka jia don lang Menteri Sarkar Jala bat MLA ke BJP uba Sanbor Sulai lambat kiwe kinoy lam ke parti. Habakran sigilat patai kubor Urikman ulapen pau ke jing ngos kem ba ke BJP kenang pen klan ya ke nong rim jongka ha West Shillong. Ulapen tip balap don sakiwe kinoy lam san pertai ki balap ban wan penyaso sya ke BJP haki segi ban wan kat ba ke parti kadang penyar ya ke jing kem jongka hakeleng ke Jala. Hendrai Urikman ulapen syai bagi Jingwan penyaso uba Mohendro kamot satya bala penti kenal lupa ya ketiket penyakun election MLA arja arpupra nomor ke parti kedon la ke jong kerukam banjit yaki kertong.
No. In BJP we never assure ticket to anyone. In BJP everyone is welcome to strengthen the party. See, whenever a good leaders a prominent leader joins, naturally the party will grow. This question has been asking from last 3-4 months.
But will you consider if tomorrow Rapsang wants to contest? Will you consider?
That is not in my hand. That is in the National Parliamentary Board. In politics, every party wants its own party to grow. So we never underestimate other political party. As a BJP, we will work and we will work to win. So there is no question of Paul or Rapsang or Maori or anyone else. So as a party, we are going to work together to win the constituency. See, in politics, in the party, everyday joining is there. So whenever there is a people who wants to join, we accept. We welcome everyone. Anyone can come and join the BJP party to strengthen the party and to bring up the party so that the schemes, the projects which our government of India has already allotted to Meghalaya, that has to reach to the concerned beneficiary.
But when will be the next joining?
Most probably this week also. Continuously.
Is any former MLA is joining the party?
That I will not able to reveal right now, but joining will be going on.
Nakaliang uba Mohendro ulaang ba ularung sa BJP da kajing temu ban penklan ya kajing ya chaprang jong ka party ulapen pauru ya kajing ngos kem ba ka BJP kanang yo jingkersan nakipaj ba ka Jala bat ben rap po unya kon ya ke election MLA house nam arja arpupra lada ka party ka ailat ya ulaang ba unya ne ha ka BJP bat un ko angu ya kanu ka rai ka ba ka party kan shem halor ka jingjet kertong na ka Bynta ka election MLA arja arpupra. Kumban supan kan mau uba Mohendro rapsang ulami khmat ya ke West Shillong constituency nerus nam arjar khat pra hado arja arpulai hadien bora job persya yo noi lam ka UDP uba Paul Lingdo ha ke election MLA arjar khat pra hadien bolami no na ka Congress ulapenya so yelidi sya ka NPP shwa ke election arja arpulai hendrai ula sya ram hau ba Paul bar hadien kata ula e no ya ka NPP hau banai rempang jau news nam shwa ban syemi kani ka rai thamai ban penya so yeladi sya ka BJP.
I've been expecting that. You see, I was happy in the tenure with NPP. Then when I contested the 23 election, I lost that seat. Okay. Now moving forward, after joining BJP now, for what? For the growth of the state and the nation as well. That's all. That is my aim. Yeah, it will benefit. Why not? People are starting voting for BJP. even the tribal and not tribal, everybody is voting for BJP.
And there are also talks going on that Bapol Lindo may join NPP. Do you see that if he joins NPP, will there be any challenging kind of situation for you?
I don't have any comments on that.
Do you see Bapol a challenge for you since you have joined BJP?
See, elections, every time it's a challenge for anybody who contests the election. So I don't see to others where he joined, who joined, what joined, but I see to myself, and I will stick with the party, I'll work with the party. If the party finds fits to be to contest the election, I'll contest. I live within the party.
There were, since before election, always we find that some comments or other comments comes out against the atrocities against Christians. So which always hampered the prospect of BJP. So do you think that such kind of narration, if comes out before election, will also hamper your prospect? How are you planning to counter that?
I don't think so will happen. We'll try to explain, talk to the people how we're going to solve this problem.
Balang bila pan batay ngi kay kadaw ba penlong ipi kinrung sa BJP hato ba pinyakun election na pin klanya ka party.
So number one, finding party, number one, party getting future. Number two, my contest election, lada ka party ka ay lada na. These are the two things.
To subu lada ka party ka may ticket pa de pinle kumno ka takapon.
Ano milet? I cannot go against the party since I'm joining the party now. If the party don't give me a ticket, that's still up there. I'll work for the party.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya